Mr. Parthiv Neotia to please deliver the welcome address. Mr. Neotia.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this occasion, the centenary celebration of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. It's about looking back, it's about celebrating the people, the purpose and the passion that has shaped the Indian Chamber. And speaking of passion, in India there are very few things that unite us, and cricket is one of them. It's more than just a sport, it's a way of life, a shared heartbeat of the nation. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest this evening, Mr. Ajinkya Rahane, captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders. Mr. Ajinkya Rahane is a name that commands respect across the cricketing world. Mostly known for his calm demeanour, classical technique and sharp leadership, he's been a vital part of the Indian cricket in its golden era. And girls wished that they could, wearing the Indian jersey and having the opportunity to captain India across all the three. Mr. Rahane has time and again shown to everyone gathered here, thank you for being part of this milestone celebration of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. We thank you all for coming and I hope you enjoy this evening. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Good evening to all. First of all, this time and giving us an opportunity to spend some of the valuable moment of his journey, how he handles the pressure, how he balances personal life from domestic cricket to the leading Indian team and now captaining KKR.
It's good to be here. Coming to a question, I always play cricket, what I love about, being passionate about this game, so I'm always really for me. I should travel, and and as I said, I think I'm always grateful that, throughout the journey I learned a lot. As I told you, I started from Dombivli, but there were many moments where, people helped me a lot. There were times I was struggling, but in my teammates, my coaches, most importantly my family was always there with me. So as a cricketer, as a player, as a batsman and also as a
pre-selection, when a lot of challenges are there, the selection committee, the performance, and where the career, the life, it's like, the pilot in the war, fighting. So can you just share about that kind of a moment, like what was your experience?
This was always there and it's still there. Whenever there is a game, whenever I go on the field, that excitement, nervousness, anxiety is always there. It's always about, as I was telling you, acceptance. You got to accept that you will be nervous, you will be anxious. But as a player, I always believe on me that time. He was sitting alone in the corner. And I was nervous. I hardly faced 4 or 5 deliveries. In India, wherever you go for the selection trials, there are thousands of kids, wide. Then I told my father, I don't think so I will get selected because I only faced 1 ball. The controllable things, if you love this game, if you're passionate about this game, you make sure each and every day you go out there and give your 100. When I go on the field, focusing on controllable things.